Have you ever wondered what makes Umu Udo the heartbeat of Igbo land? From this moment on, our community is devoted to one mission: preserving and celebrating the rich legacy of Umu Udo. We are embarking on a journey to rediscover our ancient landmarks, restore the beauty of our traditions, and stand strong in our cultural pride. Each stone, each sacred site in Umu Udo carries the wisdom and blessings of our ancestors. We will shine a light on our holy temples, revive the festivals that once filled our land with joy, and protect the history that makes us proud and Igbo. But my elders, we need your respect and dedication. Let's keep this platform focused. No unrelated posts, no off-topic debates. Only stories, memories, and knowledge that honor the soul of Umu Udo. Together we create a sacred space where our customs, beliefs, and unity can flourish for generations to come. Every Ndigbo in our region shares this holy heritage. Let's embrace it and pass it on with pride. Join us for more insights. Follow on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Let's honor our ancestors and protect our heritage. Idem na Inka. This is important. Together, we uphold the legacy of Umu Udo, today and always.